In this video, I'll be going over how to find the area of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a figure that has one parallel side. The parallel sides are the base 1 and the base 2 of the formula. So the formula of the area is below. B1 plus B2 divided by 2 times by height. And the B1 and B2 are the base 1 and the base 2. Below are 3 examples of trapezoids, and we're going over each one of them. For the first example on the left, we see the parallel sides are here and here. So that would make 6 feet base 1 and 9 feet base 2. The height here, which is perpendicular from the base 2, and that would be the height. For trapezoid, it could be one or two sides that with the slant, like so. Those are called the legs, and these are not included in the formula, so don't get confused if they provided a measurement for one of the legs, and that's the way of the question tricking you to put them in the formula. So now that we have base 1, base 2, and height, we can go ahead and solve this trapezoid. So base 1 is 6, base 2 is 9. We're going to divide that by 2, and then we're going to times by the height of 5. So 6 plus 9 is 15 divided by 2 times by 5, and that would become 37.5 feet square. So that is the area of the first trapezoid. Now for the second example, on the bottom center, we can see that this trapezoid has 2 legs. Now these two, we don't want to include in the formula as they are not the height. The height in this case would be this 6 right here because it's perpendicular with the base. And so that 6 would be the height. Now we have the 2 parallel sides, 6 and 10, and that would be the base 1 and base 2. So we will go ahead and plug it in. 6 plus 10 divided by 2 times by 6. And that would be 16 over 2 times by 6, 8 times 6, 48 feet square. So 48 square feet is the answer for the second trapezoid. Now for the third trapezoid to the right, we can tell these two are the base. This one's the height. So plugging in the formula, it's 20 over 2 times 7, 10 times 7, so 70 square feet is the answer for the third trapezoid. So these are 3 examples of how you will find area of a trapezoid. You want to make sure you memorize the formula of area equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times by height. And make sure you don't include the legs in the formula. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.